on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna get right into the action. You guys have been waiting for a while now. I hear it, I see it on the comments. You guys want to hear what this car sounds like, an exhaust clip or POV of the exhaust or whatever. So we're gonna do that today, and that's basically what we're gonna do. We'll get right into it, get you guys some sound clips. Well, guys, there you guys have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys did like that because it was quite fun to make. I actually realized halfway through that I was only on wastegate, so once I actually put up the other tune, I think the car sounds better. I don't know, let me know if you guys can tell the difference from wastegate and 18 pounds, but it definitely feels a difference. But yeah, thank you guys again for clicking on this video and watching it all the way through. Subscribe if you haven't yet. We're almost at 1,000 subs. That's pretty cool for me. So yeah, see you guys next time. Peace.